In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Stripe account in the payments settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your checkout can start accepting payments smoothly and securely. First, from your main dashboard, head to Settings. This is the control center for your account, and it's where most of your configuration lives. If you're already inside a subsection of your settings, click Settings again to return to the main settings home. It's helpful to be on that overview page so you can clearly see all available categories without missing anything. Next, open the payments section. This is where your billing, invoices, and payment providers are managed. Think of it as the place where you connect the tools that move money in and out of your business. Inside payments, you'll see a list of providers and gateways supported by the platform. Now find Stripe and click on Stripe. It should be listed alongside other payment options, often with the recognizable blue logo. If you don't immediately see it, scan the list carefully. Some platforms arrange providers alphabetically, while others group them by category. If Stripe isn't available in your region, you might see a notice indicating availability, but if it's listed, you're good to proceed. Inside the Stripe area, click on Stripe Account. This takes you to the panel where the connection details and status live. You'll typically see information about whether your account is connected or not, plus any basic settings related to your Stripe integration. Finally, click Connect. This action begins the secure link between your account and Stripe. Connecting ensures your checkout can accept payments, issue refunds, and reconcile payouts without you manually handling sensitive data. If a confirmation screen or a brief prompt appears, review the information so you're confident you're linking the correct business. It's normal for platforms to provide a quick summary before finalizing. Once connected, look for a confirmation status on the same page, such as connected or a green indicator. That status is your assurance that everything is linked correctly. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to update. If the connect button was grayed out, make sure you have the right permissions for your account and that your platform supports Stripe in your country. That's it. You went to Settings, return to the main settings page if needed, open Payments, selected Stripe, entered the Stripe account panel, and click Connect. With that, your Stripe integration is ready to